Now that the light theme's done, let's create a dark theme for this project and then the ability to toggle between light theme and dark theme. So the first thing I'll do is I'll go to colors, and we have our light theme light shade and our light theme dark shade. So let's do the same with the dark theme. So I'll change this to dark theme light shade, dark theme dark shade. So we have these two constants set up for our dark theme. I'll now create a new directory. I'll name this themes, and in here I'll create a new Dart file, also named themes. And now we can create our two themes. So we want this to be of type ThemeData, and the first one I'll name light theme, and that'll be equal to a ThemeData. And then we can set the properties in here, and I'll make this final and import material. So our light theme is pretty much done. So I'll go to our main, and we can copy all of this, we'll cut that and paste it in here, and I'll import the constants. Okay, cool. So we have our light theme set up. Now let's set up our dark theme. So I'll copy here and paste it down here. So we have our two themes, and I'll name this one dark theme. Now let's update the properties in our ThemeData class so it matches what we want for a dark theme. So I'll go to main, and here I'll return the dark theme. And now we can see this being updated. So let's go back to themes. So first thing is, we've got primary color light. Here we've got light theme light shade. Let's replace that with our dark theme light shade. Same thing down here. We'll replace light with dark. Then the color of the background, we want that to be black. And the text color, we want that to be white. These properties here can stay the same. The scaffold background color, this also should be black. And the default font color under body text 2 should be white. Okay, cool. So let's do a hot restart. Awesome. So now we have our dark theme showing up, and that's looking quite good. We can't see the dividing line, however, so let's fix that. Here I'll write divider color, and I'll set that to our dark theme light shade. Okay, awesome. And we now have the dividing line up here. Now let's test this. I'll type in a word. It's looking alright, but we have one problem, and that is the background is changing as we're typing in the letters. So let's fix that. In our tile widget, we have our background color property. So down here in our else statement, let's set the background color to transparent unless we have updated the answer stage. So colors.transparent. Cool. Okay, so now the background has disappeared. I'll do a hot restart. Okay, awesome. That's looking pretty good. I'll type in the wrong letter. Okay, cool. Those keys have turned dark. Now looking at the keyboard, let's also change this back to an icon. We can do that really quickly with the ternary operator. We'll say if e.key equals back, then if it does, instead of returning a text, we'll return an icon. And here we can type in icons dot backspace outlined. If it's not the back, else we'll return a text. And I'll add the const modifier there. And now let's do a hot reload. And now we have our back icon. However, the icon is the wrong color in the dark theme. So let's go back to our themes. And I can write brightness dot dark, do a hot restart. And now that has updated our icon for us. And I'll do the same up here in our light theme. So brightness dot light. So by setting the brightness here, the ThemeData is smart enough to be able to change the color of the icon for us. Okay, cool, and I'm going to add the const modifier here. In the next video, we'll set it up so we can switch between light theme and dark theme.